Hi guys, it's Victoria. Today I'm going to be opening a Cutie Cars Peely Apples and the Season 8 Vacation one. The first package I ever got is I stopped getting these guys. There's not really seasons for these, so it's probably going to be easy. And yeah, so you know there's a bunch of Shopkins. I haven't completed them all. But I have all the seasons, like all the Shopkins, but not have completed them. So let's look at the back. So if I get this, if I get the limited edition Tiny Tokyo, I will be super happy for this. So let's get started opening. First, I'm gonna start with this. I have my scissors.
I just went and bought them today. I said, Mom, I need to get like something to do a video on. I saw this one at the store. Not the store, not that. I saw this one at the store, that one's store, not that one. I wanted to look for that one. Let's see if it was actually, I didn't see it put down. Where was it? Oh, looks like it.
So, get this out. Woo! Okay. Let's get out this and done. So here he's like gonna make it a he because she looks like a boy. So it's actually my 5th Cutie Card that I have 5. But I mean, I didn't want to like do the first one. Just wanted to set the thing up that I wanted. Like I didn't put this one. So here's the. So as you know, probably you know Apple House from the Shopkin in Season 1. And this is a Cutie Card version. I'm gonna call it I'm gonna make it a boy because it's a little hard for the newest one. So we're done, and now the last thing is to open this. Oh!
Oh, look at that too. Hi, Shopkins fans. So it's like, yeah, so it's probably.
But let's just get out these. I will show you the Shopkin, and let's see what the name is. Oh wait, that's not it. Here, is that what this one was for the Cutie Cars? I was confused. Yeah, we'll check that later. Some issues with struggling up. Can you see it? Can you see it? No, you can't. So that should be good. Okay. Oh, got a card. There's a charm on the first eye. Purse, shiny at the top right here. a tree. Very cute. Look. I like the little tree. Cute. And so I have tons and tons of shopping. So yeah. So at the one video, at the plushie video, I said when the house was ready, I could do a house tour, but it's not like painted. Some parts of the wall, it's not painted. It has to get even more ready. So maybe, just maybe, I'm probably gonna do another Mexico video for you guys, and maybe like my baby cousin at the quinceañera, which is for Mexicans when they grow up, like, or not for Mexicans. Sweet 16 is not that fancy, but the quinceañera, oh, those are so expensive. The Sweet 16 is not that expensive. Quinceañeras, you have to wear long dresses, and so yeah. I just want to tell you that. I'm gonna do that for a video, but I will not show you any grown-up things. So yeah, here this is. It's so cute. Look at it, it's actually kind of cute, even though his face is ugly. His face is ugly. So yeah. Yeah, pretty ugly, right? So get that Cinderella. Okay, look at this sandal, pretty cute. You can put it on your finger. So yeah. Okay. So right here is so here's a tea. Here's a tea. So it's like, oh, look what your mommy did. So you can use the fan because I have a fan. So it's like next door. It's actually supposed to be a two-story house. And, well, it's actually supposed to be a big ginormous house, but instead, if they knock down the wall, they'll probably be by my room. Then they'll attack my bed, boy. Okay, so here it is. Cute, actually. It looks like marshmallows in there, so that's fun. Okay, now I'm just gonna show you. Trying to get this shocking. Okay, guys. That's the end of the video. I was thinking of something else. I was going to get an LOL surprise doll. But I was like, nah, it's really $17. I have 3 in there. That's a lot of money. So rich. No. Once I had 107 and 7. That's okay. Almost we're just gonna do that. So let's get this. Please. What is this? I don't know what that is. But please. Oh, this is actually really cute. Look at that. So, yeah. So guys, it's the end of the video. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and comment down below if you liked it or not. I'm like 21. I'm 8, so yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you when I can make a video. Maybe making a video with cutie cars or just my dogs. So yeah, bye.